Hi, my name is Jose Garcia. I've been in the Bob Hoover Academy for a year and a half. I like the flying, the go-karts, and the academics. It's helped me a lot, like with my reading and writing. And also the students, they're very helpful. They come up to you, ask you like if you need help. After this, I might go to Gavilan. I'm looking into the mechanics for aviation, and it's always the first 2 years are free. Today, I'm gonna fly in a fighter jet. They asked who wanted to be in it, and I didn't even pick up my hand or nothing, and they just ended up picking me. When I'm up in the air, I feel calm, relaxed. I just look around, see the views. You could feel it, the pressure when you're going up. You could really feel it a lot more than in the Cessnas. It was very exciting. That's really all I have to say. It was super exciting. I would love to do it again. And yeah, it was one hell of a ride. Yeah.